My name is Gail Gladstone. I'm the Cultural Resource Program Manager at Acadia National Park. While people come here for the beauty of the landscape, so much of it has been developed around accessing that landscape. So really the whole park is filled with cultural resources. The carriage road system on Mount Desert Island was planned, conceived, and built by John D. Rockefeller Jr. starting in around 1913 through 1940. And they were built to take you through these, the natural beauty of Acadia to certain sites to see views of the ocean or to see, openings in the valley. And Rockefeller wanted to use his money to benefit the public. And then he loved Mount Desert Island, so this was a way for him to enjoy the island and then to allow other people to get to places on the island. The bridges are 70, 80, 90 years old now, and they're in amazing shape for their age. What needs to be done now is a lot of general maintenance on the mortar itself. Has a limited lifespan, and over time, as water seeps in, the contents start to leach out. Climate change at Acadia, what we're seeing is more water, just in general. More storms, more intense storms, more frequent storms. A lot of the culverts on the carriage roads aren't sized appropriately anymore. It used to work back in 1930, but now, an 18-inch culvert now needs to be 3-4 times the size. The bridges at Acadia are granite-faced construction. They're designed to fit into the landscape. The granite is the stone that's here, so they are compatible. They're either a feature of the carriage roads, like you're coming along the carriage road in a sweeping curve and there's this beautiful bridge, or the bridge brings you further into the landscape. So it's all part of the carriage road experience, and it is very specific and unique to Acadia.